Orange County Registered Digital.
Thank you for joining us here today for the delivery of the 223rd U.S. Air Force C-17 Globemaster III.
On Thursday, Boeing held a ceremony in Long Beach to honor the delivery of the last C-17 cargo jet to the United States Air Force.
Repeat after me. Combat airlift, as loud as you can. That is the definition of the C-17.
The C-17s have flown more than 2.6 million flight hours, hold 33 world records, and can land on a 3,000-foot runway carrying 160,000 pounds of cargo.
The first C-17 was delivered to Charleston approximately 20 years ago. And now we've come full circle because we're going to take the same C-17, this last one, back to Charleston also.
Besides cargo, the aircraft is used for life-saving missions too.
Survival rates during the Gulf War were only approximately 76%. And now, in part to the C-17, we've taken that number up to 94%.
Because of the C-17, we can help defend freedom and liberty on every corner of the planet. For that, you should be very proud.
After all the speeches and photo opportunities, it was time for the Air Force to start up the engines taxi out, and take off, including a final flyby goodbye to the people who made the plane.
Here it goes. Here it goes. Right directly over us. Oh, it's waving already.
Mark Eades reporting for OCRegister.com.
Orange County Register. We are here in the service of Orange County.